A controller can be used to drive your robot remotely without having to add any programming blocks. Before you configure the controller, the drivetrain and any motors must be added to your project first. To quickly configure the controller, you can use an example template that has a pre-configured drivetrain and motors. Now, add a controller to your project with the Devices window. Open the Devices window and select Add a Device. Next, select Controller. You can assign motors to buttons on the controller by selecting the buttons to use. Continue selecting the same buttons to cycle through all available motors. Use the blue arrow to flip motor directions. Next, you can change the drive mode of the robot by selecting the joysticks. There are 4 drive modes available: left arcade, right arcade, split arcade, and tank. Continue selecting the joysticks to cycle through all available drive modes. Once your controller configuration is set, select the Done button. No blocks need to be added to your project. Simply download your project and have fun with your controller.